I wanted to show you really quick. I just ran out and got the mail and my doTERRA order. One of my doTERRA orders was in there. And I got my Immunity Wellness Kit month 2 in the mail. So I want to show you what month 2 looks like and what the packaging looks like beyond the first month, okay? So, here it is. So it comes in this cardboard packaging, which you can definitely recycle, or we will be throwing it in our fireplace. So, super excited. It came with a tongue scraper. Awesome, right? Which came in this little storage bag. And then there's also instructions on how to use it and care for it. It's made from copper. So that came in the wellness kit. And then I have to watch because I added a few things. So the Copaiba soft gels were an add-on that I got at an additional discount beyond wholesale pricing. So I added those on because we use them every month. Clearly you can see all of our stuff over there. And then you got in here, in month 2, you get a bottle of On Guard Plus soft gels. Definitely don't want to be without those during this time of year for sure. And just to clarify, so the On Guard Plus soft gels have On Guard in them, as well as black pepper, melissa, and oregano, which are all really good oils with antiviral properties. And then there was also this cute little travel size On Guard mouthwash. We love, love, love the On Guard mouthwash. And there's a bottle of tea tree this month. And this is all for $75. Isn't that crazy? This actually was my holiday joy that I added. If you didn't get that, I'm sorry, because it's sold out. And then, let's see, what else do we have in here? On Guard Sanitizing Mist. Can never have too many of those. And bottle of grapefruit. And so some people may say, why is grapefruit in an immunity kit? Well, all of your citrus oils are really good to add into your water to help your body go through its natural daily detoxification process, to help your body combat and overcome the billions and billions of different toxins and chemicals that you come into contact with every day. Because if your body's not detoxing them correctly, that's when you will start to experience dis-ease. And then lastly, we've got a bottle of the On Guard Beadlets. So that was this month's immunity kit. This is everything that came in it. And then, of course, you also get the informational card that gives you a little bit of information on each of the products you received and ways that you would want to use them. I just think this is such a great idea that doTERRA does these wellness kits. I am so excited to get next month, and then also to add on some of the other wellness kit programs too. But that was month 2, and then I added on the Copaiba soft gels at a extra discount on top of the wholesale discount that we get. So there you have it.